Hello. So I'm about to dye my hair. Yes. So this is what my hair color looks like now. I dyed my hair about 2 years ago using a Shea moisture color system, and as you can see, like, just my tips are still colored and they're like a dark brown now. But I want to do like an ombre on my hair, so I bought this color, which is the Creme of Nature light golden blonde, like a year ago, and I'm just now about to use it, so wish me luck. I just finished, and like I said, I wanted to do an ombre, so I only did the ends of my hair, so hopefully they'll go to like a lighter color, and then my roots will still be dark so that it can look natural as it grows out. But yeah, that's what it looks like. I'm gonna put on a plastic cap and let it sit for 20 minutes, and then I'll be back once it's done, like once I've washed it and etc, etc. Okay, so it's done, and I haven't washed out the actual color yet, but I was able to get a nice ombre. So if you can see, the ends are like a little blondish, and then it gets lighter to my natural hair. But yes, I'm actually like really liking it. It's like, but we're not done yet, so stay tuned. So here's my new hair color. I am loving it. If you can see, it goes from dark to like a light brown to some blonde in the front, and then mostly in the back it's just like a medium brown. But yeah, excuse my dirty mirror, but this is without any product in it whatsoever. I just dried it a little bit with a t-shirt, and that is how it looks, and I love it so much.